Arizona Riders Club. Ride with us.
And action. This Shadow still hasn't sold yet, y'all. Come on out and get it. The Viking bags pack on the back, all chromed out. Honda Shadow. Don't know exactly what year it is, but man, is this thing clean. Super clean. Ooh-wee. Chromed out. Yeah, bruh. You know what it is, that V-Tweezy thing looked pretty good. All right, I'll check back with you guys in a second. I got another thing I want to show you. I'll be right back. And action. We are up here at the auction in mid-Phoenix. I know I've done the cars, I've done the boats, we've done the quads, we've done the golf carts, electric and gas. We've done the party buses, the Winnebagos, but I have yet to bring you guys a review of a jet ski. Finally found a couple out here. I'll go check out the other one in a minute. They've got trailers, all kinds of stuff out here. But this Yamaha Wave Runner's got my name on it, y'all. Comes with the trailer. I'm gonna go inside and get all the specs on it as far as how many miles are on it or how many hours on it. But still looks pretty clean, man. Could you CT on this? In the ocean, somewhere in the Caribbean. Tattered shoulders because I've been out all day. Yeah, y'all know what's up. All right, man. Yamaha Wave Runner Deluxe EX. Comment in the description if you own one of these or you've had one or rode one. I believe I was on a Wave Runner. I don't believe it was the EX Deluxe though. It was a little bit bigger than this, and I believe it was a two-seater for two people. That looks like you could still fit two people on it, but coming with the trailer, man, that's got my name on it, brother. Woo! All right, y'all. Just wanted to bring y'all out here, let y'all know we into everything this year. It's T with Arizona Riders Club. Please ride with us.
Waves.